আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আপনাদের মধ্যে আমার চাচা, যাকে আপনারা খুঁজেন, সে আপনাদের মধ্যে কিছু কথা বলবে, আপনারা শুনবেন।
Actually, I like very much my brother's son. His name is MD Jinuk Munchi. But his mind is very fresh and he's a very friend circle man. My friend, to see her video, don't neglect her. Don't neglect his. Sorry, don't neglect his. His actually my personal life. I like very much MD Jinuk because his mind is very fresh and he is a very friend circle man, and although he do the marriage, their family is very well and they live in their family with very peace and happiness. He also like to do the modeling. He like how to journey. He like how to at how to join the friendshiply in Bangladesh. My friend, may all of the friend prayer for my brother sons Emre Jinu so that he can shine in his life. It is my expected about yourselves. I am very simple man. I am a farmer. I am a very simple man. I have no pride because I am my profession is cultivation, but I am not businessman. So I supported my brother sons Emre Jinu. Brother, man, well, every man mind does not money. So I expected that all of the persons well my brother son Emre Jinuk mind. Jinuk mind is very well and friend. I know my personal life. I do not access thing about my brother sons. May I prayer for myself. Thank you very much.
আল্লাহ হাফেজ।
Allah Hafiz.